Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video is we're going to go ahead and learn about how to change Facebook account on Monopoly Go. So if you're actually connected to a Facebook account already and if you want to go ahead and try to change it, this is the step-by-step guide for you. So as you can see, we're currently onto the game right now, and if you press onto go, it will roll in the dice and it will move in the icon as per the dice value. So to change in here the Facebook account, so you need to head onto the three horizontal lines onto the upper part of the screen. So you'll just have to click onto that one. And then right after, you should be able to see a pop-up screen like this. You'll just have to click onto settings for that one. So once you click onto settings, you should be able to see connect account in there. So you have to click onto that and then you should be able to see the disconnect option for the Facebook account. So you'll have to click onto the disconnect option so that you could go ahead and try to change it onto the new account. So if you're currently not connected to a Facebook account, then you could go ahead and fill in the details of your Facebook account. And if you have successfully disconnected it already to your Facebook account, then you'll have another option already to go ahead and try to connect another account by putting in the different details of the account that you want to use. And that's just basically it on to changing Facebook account on Monopoly Go. If you think this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to your next video.